Do you want to know how you can use ChatGPT for text correction? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use ChatGPT for text correction. Go ahead and open chatgpt.com, log into your account. You can see the prompt box. If you have the incorrect text, you can paste it here and tell it to correct it, or else you can write down something like, so you can see that I have written an incorrect text. You can see that it's already detected that this is incorrect. You can write down, correct this text and tell me what is wrong over here. So if you write it, you can see that this is not the correct word. So the correct word is the am should be come after I to form a proper sentence in English. So you can also see that it tells you, sure Anna, it looks like a grammatical error in your sentence, let me correct for you. So it has corrected I am Anna instead of I am name is Anna. You can write a lot of long essays and paragraphs and ChatGPT will correct it for you this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.